Are you looking for the best drone camera? In this video we will look at some of the best drone camera on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is a compact and lightweight drone designed for travel enthusiasts and videography enthusiasts, weighing in at less than 249 grams, which is roughly equivalent to the weight of an apple. This small drone fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Its portability and convenience make it an ideal travel companion, allowing you to transform the way you capture your favorite memories. One notable feature of the DJI Mini 2 is its impressive resistance to wind. It can withstand wind speeds ranging from 8.5 to 10.5 meters per second, scale 5, ensuring stable flight even in challenging weather conditions. Moreover, it operates effectively in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and across different frequency ranges, 2.400 to 2.4835 GHz, 5.725 to 5.850 GHz. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is equipped with OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology, which supports high-definition video transmission up to a distance of 10 kilometers. This technology also provides excellent anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly the drone farther and enjoy clearer visuals. Number 2. Parrot Aniphidrone. The Parrot Aniphidrone is a cutting-edge aerial photography and videography tool designed to awaken the inner cineast in its users. With its impressive features, this drone promises to deliver cinema-quality videos and photos effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Parrot Anafi is its 4K HDR camera, which can capture stunning visuals with remarkable effects. Its 180 degrees vertical swivel gondola is a unique feature in the market, allowing users to achieve creative shots from low angles, smooth traveling shots, automatic subject framing, original aerial selfies, and even follow-me tracking, available as an in-app purchase. All of these cinematic effects can be achieved with ease using a smartphone. The camera boasts a 21-megapixel resolution, ensuring that no moment is missed. Thanks to the 3-axis hybrid stabilization system, users can capture crisp and smooth videos in various conditions. The inclusion of a new Sony sensor and a wide-angle spherical lens with an aperture of f/2.4, as well as a 2.8x loss-free digital zoom, enables users to capture every detail with exceptional clarity. Additionally, burst mode allows for shooting 10 frames per second, and optimized exposure control further enhances the photography experience. Number 3. PowerVision PowerEgg. The PowerVision PowerEgg is a versatile and advanced aerial photography and videography device designed to capture stunning high-definition footage with exceptional clarity and smooth motion. With the ability to record in 4K at 60 frames per second, 4K 60 FPS, it ensures that your aerial content is of the highest quality, delivering crystal clear detail and seamless motion. One of the standout features of the PowerEgg is its dual mode functionality. This device can seamlessly switch between two modes: a handheld gimbal mode for stabilized shots on the ground and a drone mode for capturing breathtaking aerial perspectives. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for creators who want to explore various shooting angles and styles. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the PowerEgg also boasts intelligent features that enhance creative possibilities. Users can harness slow motion and time-lapse effects to add artistic flair to their footage, resulting in visually captivating content. Furthermore, the inclusion of Sync Voice patent technology allows users to incorporate audio seamlessly into their aerial shots, further enriching the storytelling experience. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for professional use, offering exceptional features and performance for aerial photography and cinematography. As emphasized in the provided information, it is noteworthy for its authenticity and dual after-sales guarantee, ensuring customers receive genuine products with reliable support. The EVO 2 Pro V3 is the latest iteration of this drone model, designed to cater to the needs of professionals in the field of aerial photography and videography. This drone is equipped with a Sony 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS image sensor, allowing it to capture stunning visuals with exceptional clarity. It supports resolutions of up to 6K, delivering improved dynamic range and noise suppression. The drone's lens offers an adjustable aperture range from f2.8 to f11, providing flexibility in controlling the depth of field and adapting to various lighting conditions. With a maximum ISO of 44,000, the EVO 2 Pro excels in low light conditions, making it a suitable choice for capturing quality images and videos in challenging environments. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is a feature-packed camera drone that offers a unique and versatile flying experience. At its core, it's equipped with a 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor that supports up to 4x zoom capabilities, which includes a 2x optical zoom ranging from 24mm to 48mm. This zoom feature allows users to capture dynamic and creative perspectives, making it an ideal choice for aerial photography and videography. In terms of performance, the Mavic 2 Zoom boasts impressive specifications. It can stay airborne for up to 31 minutes on a single charge and can reach speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, offering a fast and agile flight experience. With a takeoff weight of 905 grams, it's relatively lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport to different shooting locations. One of the key features of the Mavic 2 Zoom is its 3-axis gimbal, which ensures steady and smooth shots even during high-speed flights or windy conditions. It also has 8 GB of internal storage and supports SD cards up to 128 GB, allowing for ample storage of photos and videos.